Hello dear students, this week you are going to learn how to make origami plane. For that you just need 4 15 centimeter square papers. If you don't have colorful paper, you can use newspaper or magazine paper. Let us start. First we will fold this paper into half, then again into half. After every fold, do not forget to press this paper nicely. Now let us take all 4 corners till the center. Fold the paper nicely. We need to fold all the 4 papers in this way, and from that 2 papers we are going to fold it in this style. So 2 papers this way and 2 papers this way. Now if you see carefully, there is a gap over here. See. Yes, so in this gap we are going to insert one flap of this triangle and the other flap from the below. Similarly, we need to fold the other paper also. Now we need to insert it inside this gap. Yes. So this one over here and the other inside this. Just push it a little bit. You don't have to insert it too much, but just push it a little bit and it will remain intact. In case if it is not remaining, then you can use glue. And here is our origami aeroplane ready. If you like it, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.